love shopping with my parents.
Hey, Sunset.
Everything's free.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh?
Hey, y'all. So we dressed. We finna get ready to go to Dalton. Let me put some blush on real quick. Y'all know your girl loves blush. I got on a real simple, cute outfit. You took it out when you should. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Hey, so right now I'm at Babylon getting my oil change. My mama get her oil change in like 2 days over. So after we get my oil change, I don't know if we're gonna eat, but I do have to go get some clothes and stuff for school and for work because your girl is getting thick. I can't fit none of my jeans. I can't even button them up. They too tight. And when I start clinicals, I need to get like a lab coat, and I also need to get some shoes. But I don't know if I'm gonna get the shoes today. But just stay tuned. Ew, that's ugly.
You like this one?
Ew. Mom, just get something simple like this.
That's the one I like, but it ain't big enough.
What all you got, girl?
No.
I don't know.
Oh,
It's some more over there, y'all. It's some over there.
oh, that's like a lunch bag. No, you put your makeup. Lunch bag.
No. Okay, so I'm in the eye patch aisle with the spa personal care, and I want to get some a mask, like some little strips to go up under my eyes because lately my eyes it look like they've been getting bad, and it's probably because I ain't been getting like no good rest. But I always wanted to try, but y'all know your girl got sensitive skin, so I don't know what to get. I got a foot peel. I don't need nothing for my foot. So this is what I'm looking at right now. Under eye patch, dark circles. Oh, okay, cucumber and aloe. Okay, that's what I think I'm gonna get. This is cucumber and aloe. I think I'm gonna get that one instead of the vitamin C and collagen one. Fall time is coming. I can't wait till I get my own house because I'm gonna decorate my house for every season, for every holiday. Like, yes. So, and they got some Halloween stuff already out. See, it's cute. Y'all better come to J Maxx, y'all, if y'all decorate y'all room. So this is cute. I think, yeah, that'll scare me. I think I wouldn't decorate. I want to start like decorating my rooms and make like a video for YouTube or the house, but I don't know. It's cute though. Everything is so pretty. Oh, this is so cute. Is it a plug-in? Oh, yes. This is the fit, you guys. Something real cute and simple. I look chunky. I look chunky though.
Swoop.
We got to get Casey some trees. I'm glad
I had gave her some pig ears last time. Did she like them? She tore them up. It was from here? I had got them from PetSmart. These, you need some she can hold and chew on. What about I don't know. She like
Them chips.
Oh, They got peanut butter flavor.
Yeah.
They healthy for
They don't look right.
digestion, improve muscle and joint health. It's collagen. Promote healthy
She don't
skin
eat
and
that
coat.
shit. I want her to eat some piggy.
You might have go fix me. They got them on here.
Bounce that ass house shite, them titties, man. I'm looking for the latest lit bitches in the city.
Well, see, I need to grow up and get me a bag like this. Very adult-ish. Billie
They
Jean.
got fried calamari, nachos.
Hummus.
You gotta eat that. Don't your appetizer. Cheese dip, large seafood platters.
So, is we finna eat now, or we finna...
That's what I'm saying. You want Mexican food? You want Mexican food? They got wings. They got steak.
It's so...
Ribeye steak.
Look at the coat. The coat is so pretty.
They got burgers.
Going. Where are we going?
They got more than one thing. They got a variety menu. What you want to eat?
We can go there.
What you want to eat?
We can go there.
What you want to eat?
We can go there.
What you want to eat?
I don't know, but we can go there.
They probably got chicken fingers. They got, yeah. But they be running that shit through their toes.
No, they don't.
They got Mexican food.
Quit saying it, Mom.
They got chicken tenders,
Look like that's what I'm eating.
cheesecake. They got burgers. They got Mexican food.
I don't eat burgers at
They got
restaurants.
ribeye steaks,
I don't eat steak.
wings.
Boneless.
They got queso.
How far it is from us?
Quesadillas, enchiladas, burritos.
See, a restaurant with too much stuff.
It's a Greek and Indian restaurant.
How far it is? We finna go there anyway, honey.
It's strict right here.
The program that I run a very tight ship. And you bitches either gonna listen or you hoes gonna get the fuck on. You don't got too many options over here. So the
I'm gonna call my boyfriend. I just did a little dip now. Let's do it. Hey y'all, so the food was a 10 out of 10. So now we finna be on the way to the mall. Hey y'all, so we are at the mall. We finna try to get me some jeans for work. Are them jeans? They
Like big about.
Oh, these bell bottoms?
I don't think them bell bottoms. Oh, they big at bottom. You like that kind?
Mm-mm. We just gonna go over here to the jeans section, honey.
To the skinny thing.
They ain't got to be skinny. Like, they like this, that's fine. So, all on wide leg.
Oh, it say flare. Them flare.
I don't
Oh,
want.
it say flare.
No, with no drugs. I did it all this so long. I did it all for love.
No, we're not laughing at you. No, we're not laughing at you. You get into it. No, we're living vicariously through you. Oh my goodness.
Your body, girl, makes the fellas go. Your body, girl, makes the fellas go. The way you ride it, girl, makes the fellas go. Your body, girl, makes the fellas go. The way you ride it, girl, makes the fellas go. All up in the club, looking fly. Major first approach, they caught his eye. So he moved away towards the dance floor.
They got some cute drawers at Aeropostale, y'all. Don't sleep on Aeropostale.
You don't like these?
Yeah, they got a large.
Be cotton.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Let's see.
Now what a bra is it?
God, what is this, baby Jesus?
That's a monkey, ain't it?
I don't know. Is that baby Jesus? Oh, this Cupid. God, ugh. Cutesy. Okay, yeah.
You just want to go shopping. Get a blue name hat. See, you can wear these as regular bras, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And see, that navy can go with two of them.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I only got the little stuff in it. Take that out.
You don't want that?
Mm-mm.
Can you take them out?
Probably ain't gonna fit the same though.
That one got it in there.
They're cute though.
This got it in there, though.
Mm-hmm. But I know I wear these before I wear them. Mm. That's cute. Mm. These are cute. It's just the bottom. It's okay. I can get it again.
Okay.
Yeah, cause them baggy at the bottom and no ma'am.
One you already tried. You tried one.
Yeah, I did.
So the Mondays especially, I'll come back.
What to live?
Is she trying on clothes?
Love, we done lost your daughter. Or in the journey. I love shopping with my parents. Everything's free. Yeah. Let me see.
I can't smell them from that.
Yeah, because you probably been sniffing stuff too much to live.
And you know they smell good.
Hmm. This smell good. This smell good. Hey. Good.
Are you guys looking for anything? What does that smell like? Just kind of.
I like these.
Just kind of looking.
I'm looking for something. Yes.
For some cologne.
Okay, what is it that you're looking for?
This one is smells good.
Well, while they doing that, I think I'm finna find me a candle or something. Oh, I smell cereal. Is it cereal? Jesus. Y'all, I feel like this smell good, but then again, it don't smell good. Like, that first sniff is amazing, but that after sniff, I don't really know. I don't really know. Go, no.
The cologne mist up there, it has the try me sticker on it.
I don't like them to live. I like it now. It smells a little fresh. Can't spray too much of that though, honey. You don't like the fragrance to live? You know you can't be doing all that sniffing.
I'm telling you, I like this one. The vanilla.
I'm gonna go smell me some candles. I can't wait to live. I don't even see the strawberry pound cake, honey. Let me see. 2 for $20. Ooh, they got strawberry pound cake. The best. The best candle. Now let's see if we could find me, because I ran out of candles a long time ago. So let's see what I could find. Is that lavender? Oh, I don't do lavender, baby. I'm good. This right here, y'all. This midnight blue, baby. Anytime, can y'all see my face? Anytime I come, I always get a candle. Come smell it, Uma. It's midnight blue.
It ain't too strong. I like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't like that.
I know not to light on you at home. I can't light this one more at home, y'all, because she be about to have a fit. But these are two I'm going to get. In the real world, don't go crying to your mama. Oh, Jesus. I thought we said small. Yeah. This lady keep coughing until Leah and Mom is getting mad. That's why I don't come to Pink, because Pink is $100 per item.
How much this is?
Is $25 for this. Like, come on, Pink. Okay, y'all. So, we made it back into the car. I'm finna head home. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of everything I got, but I'm literally tired. But this is just 1 o'clock, so it ain't too late. But still. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home. So we're finna do like a little haul. I'm finna show y'all everything that I got. So first thing first, I stopped by Dollar General because I had to get like some small stuff for the house, which I got some sensitive skin washing powder. The only type of washing powder I use, y'all, because I can't use nothing else. Then I got sensitive skin, the soap, only type of soap I can use. I can't use nothing else. And I got some soft toothbrush. I got 2 of these because I got one for my boyfriend and one for my sister. Next is going to be Bath and Body Works, which I've got 2 candles. I have the Midnight Blue Citrus, which this smells real good, but ain't nothing beating this strawberry pound cake. And they was 2 for $20. So yeah, I had to go to CVS get some more stuff. Well, I just got one thing from CVS, and I got some Neutrogena oil-free acne face wash, and I've been needed this. I've been being the bottle for it to come back on for a couple days. Aeropostale bag. Yeah, we spent like $200 some at Aeropostale. We're just gonna start with some pants. With the pants I got, and I think I got 2 pants of the same thing because they were having like high waisted pants, and I don't like high waisted pants. Like, I just don't because for one, I got a belly piercing, so it just be irritating. I just So these are the first pair of pants I got. They so cute. All the pants are baggy because I feel like I keep gaining weight, so I had to get some baggy pants, y'all. And I can't believe I am in a size 10. Like, I feel humongous. 4 pants. It was buy one get one free. So this is my second pant. They had some ripped jeans that I wanted, but I can't wear them to work, so I didn't need to get them. And these are the final pair of jeans. Super cute, super simple. I end up getting some panties and bras because you can't never go wrong with too many panties and bras. Honestly, that's how I feel. So I got a couple bras like these. Like, this is so cute to me. I'm not one of them girls who, like, I have a couple bras that you gotta clip together, but I'm more so of these type of bras. This are sports bras. So I got light blue, navy blue, and I do have a pink. The only thing I hate about these bras is that it comes with like the little pad in it, and I don't like that. So then I got me some drawers. This one pair of drawers, these are cute. I ain't gonna show y'all my drawers one by one, but then I did also get some jewelry. Let's see, I got some earrings, just some earrings. Yes, these are the earrings that I got. I just got something real simple and cute. And from TJ Maxx, I got the cucumber and y'all know y'all be reading and then like a word like I know how to pronounce it, but it's not coming to me. That's one of the moments. It's like I'm gonna end the video right here. But I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. If y'all want to see more vlogs, then let me know. I know I always do like a usually sit down video, but if you want to see vlogs, then let me know. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified. You know this, man. Without further ado, peace.